Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Pull the housing to the right to disengage the securing tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.